Hey guys, not a whole flippin' hell of a lot to show you today on the job, but what I really want to talk about is what I what happened to me once I got done working today. So I got done, and you'll see in the video I had to go to the bank. I got to pick my daughter up early today. We're doing trick or treating, and then we're going on our vacation. So I stopped at the bank to take out some cash for the trip. We're going to Reno. We're going to Las Vegas for 4 days. So I take out a pretty good sizable amount of cash for these types of trips. I do it every year. Sometimes I do it twice a year, and never had an issue. So I don't know. Oh, let me say this too. Every time I go in there, I got the same shirt on. Maybe not the sweatshirt, but a shirt. It says my name on it. It's got my phone number on it. They can see my work truck outside, right? I got a business account. I got a personal account. Numerous credit cards in my wallet. So I went to go take the money out, and she goes, "Do you have another form of picture ID?" And I'm like, "You got my driver's license. You got my bank card. What else do you need?" "Well, we need 2 forms of picture ID because it's such a sizable amount." I go, "Lady, listen, I do this twice a year, most years. I've been here a million times. I know everybody almost by their first name at the counter." She goes, "Well, we can't do it unless you have a passport or something." I said, "Well, I don't go to other countries. I have no want or need to go to another country, so I do not have a passport. I don't want one." I said, I have a birth certificate, a social security card. Do you want to see those? I can run back home and grab those." And she goes, "Nope, has to be another picture ID." And I'm like, "Well, you know what? Screw you guys. I didn't close out my account today, but when we get back next week, I'm closing my account. I'm not going to name the what bank it is. I'm going to close that. I'm going to close both accounts. I'm going to go somewhere else if that's the way you're going to treat me." Use some logic in your brain, right? Twice a year, I come in and do a sizable withdrawal. If you look at my transactions, it's an HVAC company, so there's huge transactions both ways, huge deposits, huge expenditures. When I buy equipment and stuff. Don't act like this is something new, and don't give me the money that I cut my goddamn fingers with. I hurt my back and my knees. I get filthy over to earn this money, and you're not going to give me my own money? What is this world coming to? I'm thinking about maybe just putting it under my mattress or put it in my safe. That way I can't have some pencil pusher tell me that I can't have my own money that I worked my ass off for. So it's not a big deal. We have other means of getting the money. But what am I supposed to do? So I know what's going to happen. I'm going to tell them I'm going to close out my account, and they're going to go, "You need another form of picture ID to close out your account." I go, "Bullshit." So I asked her for a manager, and and conveniently, there's not one there. She goes, "Oh, they'll be back in a couple hours, and if you want to come back." And I go, "I'm never coming back in here. I'm going to go online. I'm going to close my accounts out. You guys are going to give me a cashier's check, and I will take that to another institution." So just unreal, What the hell's wrong with these people? Do you have any logic in your brain? It's got my company name on my shirt. I've been in there 1,000 times. My truck's right there. I showed you a business card even. Yeah, that's what I didn't tell you. I showed them a business card, one of my business cards, next to my driver's license, next to my bank card, next to both my bank cards. I showed them my other credit cards that I have, numerous other things that prove that I am who I say I am. So you're basically telling me that you don't believe I say I am who I say I am. Basically, that's what they're saying, right? Screw you guys. Well, enjoy the little bit of video here I got of this morning. I just went in and got that humidifier going on that one system I have going. He's happy with that. That's the side of the house. He's going to stack all his hardwood floors. They're not going to be moving anything to the other side until I'm back from vacation. I'll continue working on the other. I just had too many errands to run today, and honestly, after I went to the bank and they pulled that crap, I lost all motivation for anything today. I just can't believe this world sometimes. Just ridiculous. Anyway, here's the video, guys. Also want to add, guys, this is the same place. I forgot to mention it in the first little spiel I just did, which probably went on too long. This is the same bank that allowed me to get ripped off last year, drained my bank account completely down to the negatives. And you'd think they'd be on their best behavior, but you know how soon we forget. So yeah, they're done. I'm done with them. Fuck the banks. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC here. Happy Halloween to everybody out there. Let me get that away from the dash a little bit. There we go. Finally made it to Halloween, huh? Oh, let me tell you what day it is. It's Thursday, October 31st, 2024. Halloween. My daughter's excited. I'm excited. We're all going to be skeletons for Halloween. Looking forward to getting her out there and seeing how much candy mommy and daddy can get. She can get her own. Heading back out to that remodel job, of course, like I told you I was doing yesterday. You know, I was thinking about my Halloween costume. You know, I had a couple different ideas before we did the skeleton. You know, I was thinking I was gonna get a long gray-haired wig, put it in a ponytail, and work on my southern drawl, and maybe I go clean a bunch of drain lines today. Or I was going to you know, maybe get a stick and put it up my ass and judge everybody and try to give them criticism at every turn. You know who I'm talking about? These two people. All right, that's enough. It's a good day. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this system, these two systems on this house to where I need them to be. So I'm not being bugged on my vacation. So we got Halloween tonight, and then tomorrow morning we are on the road, and I'll try to get you guys some beauty shots of the trip, because a lot of it's just desert and nothing, but there are some pretty cool features to look at. You know, if you want to know which way, just Google Map Redmond, Oregon to Reno, Nevada, and then do Reno, Nevada to Las Vegas, and that'll kind of show you what our trip is. Most of it's desert, high desert. You know, we're up 4,000 to 5,000 foot elevation for a good bulk of the trip. So probably gonna run into some snow tomorrow. So anyway, I'll see you guys out there. I'll get some shots today, and I don't know, maybe I will, maybe I won't. Might just be a BSing session today. But we'll see. I'll see you out there. All right, you guys, we're back. It's something concerned me when I got here. I'm gonna have to ask the homeowner. But this water heater's on. It's triggered and it's running. So, but he doesn't have any appliances or anything hooked up. I don't have my humidifiers running or anything. Why is this guy fired? Yeah, I have no idea. There's nothing hooked up that I know of. I'll have to ask him. It's weird. This thing's running. You guys know how tankless works. You got to have a tap open for it to fire. Interesting, I shall say. So yeah, anyway, I got some wrenches here to tighten my water line on. Got my 1/4 inch here. Got my cutters, another backup wrench. Let's get this water line tied in. Right to there. Yeehaw. Alright guys, we're all attached here. Attached down there. Now I just gotta go switch that wire in the thermostat and land it on the humidifier terminal. Let's go do that. Alright guys, I got my wire changed on the thermostat, or landed on the thermostat, so he's running like a champ now. got here this morning and it was like 30 degrees and outside, and the house was maintaining 70, and that's with some doors not even in, so system's working great. What I did forget was to tie my vinyl tubing into the drain over there. That's why I did the pump, so I can come up and over and not block any of the walkway here. So I'm gonna run the tubing across there, drop it into some PVC, and then pipe it down into the, and tee it in over here. So let's get on it. Okay guys, I didn't show you the finished product on that drain. Basically, I ran it exactly how I told you I was gonna run it. I'm getting out of here. He's happy as a clam that I have that other side going. And I have the humidifier going. Where they're gonna stack all his hardwood floors are on that one side of the house. So we're good to go. We got nothing to worry about. I got packing to do. I gotta go to the bank, get some money for the trip. I gotta pick my daughter up early today, get her ready for trick-or-treating. So yeah, I didn't work much today, but you know, if you know me by now, you know I work kind of on my own schedule and try to enjoy my life. So I get to go to the bank. I'm gonna gas up my truck here so I don't have to do it when I get back. We're gonna have some awesome pictures from the trip. We're also gonna do some awesome pictures from our Halloween tonight. So life is good. I'm loving how things are going. I can come back to this job, you know, nitpick at it here and there. I'm gonna get some stuff scheduled when I get back, a couple other bigger jobs, and keep plugging away. 2025 is going to be the best year yet. I can feel it. Hopefully we can get the right people in office, if you know what I mean. So that being said, I'll just compile this short video today. Not much work stuff. Maybe I'll get on a little bit later and shoot the shit. I don't know if I'll have time. You know, usually my daughter starts losing interest after about an hour of trick-or-treating. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I'll see you guys later.